Good morning, friends. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all fine. So we are preparing to go to church. It's on a Sunday morning. Before we leave, I thought I could show you what Moniki brought us from Shacks because he had traveled. One of our favorite fruits is in season, and he brought us in plenty. In plenty. So yeah, we were to travel together. He was attending a burial of the dad of one of our friends. Yeah, but I couldn't because Suri has been unwell, so I thought I could just stay around because she was in pain. Friends. Mangoes, and more mangoes. In this sack, we have these unripe small ones that we love so much, and the bigger ones that are at the bottom. Here, they are the small ripe ones. Those who know them know how sweet they are. And then over here is the big ripe ones that we can use for juicing. Just look at this mango, guys. Just look at it. Perfect. Yeah. All from my people. This will be, you feast on them, I don't know for how long, but we also share with our friends. And then over here, another sister-in-law sent me these avocados. Oh, there are no avocados in the market, so I'm overly excited for this. And then I believe it's another sister, I'm not confirmed from my mom, it's another sister-in-law who brought me these yellow beans. They know this is the beans that we can somewhat tolerate. So we always have a gas after eating beans. So these are around about 5 kilograms if I'm not wrong. So I'll not be buying beans for the next maybe 2 months. Yeah. Corn for making githeri because it's already dry. Over here, some green onions and rosemary that I put in water yesterday so that it doesn't wither. And then over here we have the fermented porridge. I've not had it in a while. This one is a finger millet, pearl millet, sorghum, and I think maize. Milk from our cows. This is almost 2 liters of milk. I'll use this for breakfast right now. And then these eggs on this upper tray, also sent to us by my mom-in-law. So this is pure kienyeji eggs. They're really nice. Can always tell the difference between this and this below here. Lastly, a kienyeji chicken. Yeah. The original, authentic kienyeji chicken. Oh no, not lastly, actually, we still have more things that I've not showed you. Oh, forgive my balcony. Oh, forgive this mess over here. Just let's concentrate on what I'm showing you. Sugarcane, grilled bananas, but this is the variety that we'll leave to ripen, but I can also boil some for breakfast. And our favorite banana, baby banana, sweet banana, however you call it. Yeah, kuivisha. Yeah, we always really appreciate when they send us when we have goodies from home. Why? They send us some coin. You know, it's real authentic food. Yeah, all that. It's a blessing to have food from home. I need to boil some black beans that I soaked overnight so that when we are back we can fry it. I think we'll make rice or maybe I buy chapati, I'm not sure. I'm boiling our milk first to make sure that it's not gone bad before I add both the lettuce and rosemary. There is our black beans. I know people don't like jahe, but if you look at it properly, it's usually so nice, and jahe is very nutritious. And I also boil it with carrot. That will help reduce the gas. That's what I understand. I don't know whether it works, but that's how I do it. Beans too. You're drinking juice or milk?
Juice.
Took the hair down at long last. And this is how we are wearing it today to church. Afro, because that's how we roll. It's shrunk. Looks like it's been cut, but it's just shrinking. And shrinkage means it's healthy hair.
But does my hair shrink?
Yeah, you are still shrink, but because of not frequent, but because you blow dry every time you go to the salon, it doesn't shrink as much as mine, because mine I rarely blow dry. I've been trying to regrow my hairline for like how many years now? Almost 9.
Mama, what's wrong with your
And it's an
hairline?
uphill task. So lesson learned: avoid tight hairstyles, because growing back an hairline.
Mom, is my hairline good?
Yeah, yours is good. Esther has been taking care of it.
Okay.
And babies too, because I take care of it. Send your baby. You went to the salon, looking all cute. Cutie.
Finally, I've been wanting to go to the salon.
But you have not been able to make babies because she has been unwell. It's another day. Yeah, and I'm intending to clean my kitchen a bit, just a bit, because I have a lot going on and I don't have much time, but I need to clean the floor. It has not been mopped in 2 days and it has so much traffic, so it's always getting dirty. So that's what I want to do right now. I'm also doing laundry. Also, then forgive my machine, it's a bit loud. We're waiting on Afundi to attend to it. And I just realized that my fridge and my freezer are quite empty, and that's an opportunity to clean it before I restock. But before I'm able to do that, there are dishes that need to be attended to, so I'll quickly wash them, clean the fridge, then work on these dirty floors and a bit of organization. Things are just all over. The aftermath of the weekend. I've also soaked some beans over here that I'll be making ideri for dinner with. Let me know how you guys get rid of this staining and utensils, especially the plastic ones. Sometimes I soak them in bleach, but I'd love to know what else you can do, because no matter how much you scrub them, azing'ari. now used this granite pan for 2 months. And I'm loving it. I think I'll buy another one like this one. They're real nasty. I've not seen it start to wear out in any manner. And I said to clean. And that's a great win. Especially if it's a clean pan. And you know, the reviews about granite. This part of the counter is really stained because of the hard water that we use. What to do about it? I've tried scrubbing, it's not doing anything. There's so much stain, brown stain. See? Doing nothing. I don't know whether it's okay to use this on these counters. Stubborn. This one here. What did I talk about it? So bad. Just leave it and look for a solution. What we're working with, so much dust over here. Oh, don't judge. Yucky. I don't know where we got here, but oh! This thing should come out. Oh! I was stuck from all the gunk. Let's try this one too. The sweet will clean it with some vinegar, dish soap and baking soda. So slippery. Let me take off my slippers. Fall down so bad. A double-sided tip here to stick our photo, but now this thing can't come out. I don't know what I'll do. sun today is not as hot as other days. I hope it will not rain before my clothes are dry. So I wasn't to make berry today, but I know if I don't cook them today, I'll most likely go bad, which is not right. So yeah, today we have berry. I hate putting back these two things. It was easy peasy. Let's see whether it belongs here. Oh yeah. The luck is on my side. Oh, this one's have holes. Why didn't I think about it? And there is our clean fridge. Freezer is all clean. The door is clean. The fridge part is clean. The door is clean. And then some bicarbonate of soda, baking soda, to keep bad smells away. Where did we put it? Yeah, I put it there. That tiny tumbler. Next thing is put back the food. Then we'll call project fridge done. I'm now done with the cleaning. And my baby came back from school. Hi, baby. Yeah. A bit tired. It's that. But at least I've gotten what I needed to do done. So now I can sit down and rest as I take something. Thanks, Mom. Thank you. As I continue to cook my githeri, the sink is almost empty. I need to peel and freeze these mangoes for juicing, not juice, smoothie. Yeah, but things are clean. I also wiped this counter that we left behind. Yeah. So our kitchen has had a reset, which is a good thing, and the floors are clean. Yeah, and our mat is also clean, and our balcony area is clean. Yeah, and I will take care of the shoes.